What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel, Appalachian Smoke Wagon. Thanks for clicking. Thanks for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then hit that subscribe button for me. If you like Second Amendment stuff, if you love freedom, then what are you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button. Today, we're going to be bringing you a little piece of controversial kit. It is the CAA micro conversion kit. This one is for Glock. It will use a Glock 19 or Glock 17. I have my Glock 17 in it at the moment. I got some steel out at 25 yards. We're gonna ding it a few times and then we're gonna talk about it. So stick around, subscribe, leave a comment. This thing it's a cool little range toy, but it has some fatal flaws that we will get into. So stick around. Very fun. Very fun. Nice little thing to take to the range and plink around. Would I trust my life to it? Absolutely not. And the main weapon in it is a Glock, and I trust my life to Glock every single day. But you notice anything missing on it? And it is clear. I just cleared it out. No safety. There's no safety on this thing whatsoever. So in a situation where you're fighting for your life or whatever, you gotta shoot and run, shoot and move, shoot and move. This thing's dangling on your kit. There's nothing protecting the trigger. Like right now I have a magazine right here. You really can't see it, but it's right around that trigger, and it could press it at any time and shoot your feet or whatever. So that's a major flaw in my opinion. It's just, and I really couldn't get a consistent zero, because if you notice the pistol inside kind of moves around the frame kit, which is going to shift your zero every time. I mean, I got a little A-zone piece of steel down there, and at 25 yards I can hit it every time, but for like a precise zero, like I've been here zeroing this thing for like 30 minutes, and I've been chasing it because it'll go here, and I'll click it down, then it'll go here, I'll click it down, then it'll go here. You're not going to get a precise zero with this, because anytime you move it inside there, it's going to move your point of impact. So the question is, would I recommend this thing for any kind of serious? And it's absolutely not. There is a bolt that runs through right here, and I don't see why CAA couldn't have put some kind of swing up trigger guard where you like swing it up and it covers your trigger. They could even go back in and manufacture that now and have like a longer bolt with some kind of injection molded piece that you can flip up over your trigger. I don't know why they haven't made that. They do have on the website, they do have a trigger guard, but it snaps on right here, and then you let me get this mag. Excuse me. Let me get this mag out of the way. It snaps on right here, and then you snap it off and clip it on your rail right here. So that would just be a hassle, and then you drop it and lose it. It would just be a super hassle. It is pretty cool. It's super lightweight, and it runs off a Glock 19 or 17, and I do think they have them for other models, but this shouldn't be anyone's first choice for any kind of defensive situation at all. To be honest, I would probably rather have just a high point pistol than this. But if you have this, you could take your Glock out and just have your Glock. I would definitely rather just have my Glock than this, but it is a pretty cool piece for the range and messing around. And maybe letting like a new shooter shoot it and kind of get the feel for kind of a carbine kind of. It would be cool for that. It does have come with a flashlight. It's an additional piece that you get, and it's a small little O-light that goes in this attachment, and I think it's like 500 lumens. It's pretty cool. I just have a little Bushnell. I think it's a TR25, old school red dot that they're proven they do work for like little things like this and 22s. Would I put it on a rifle and trust my life to it? No. But with all that said, it is pretty cool if you just want a little range plinker or something to get out and let the kids plink with. It is pretty cool. It does have extra mag storage right here in the front. And you see I got those big sticks in it. And then you can put your mag in. So you do got good magazine capacity on the unit itself. Folding stock, I think I mentioned that already. It gets down pretty compact. But other than just a novelty, I don't understand what else this would be used for. We'll shoot it some more. It works really well. I mean, it slides onto your slide and it racks good. Decent ergonomics. You got like a grip up here to grip your hand on, and it feels good in the shoulder. So yeah, there's that. I want to show you guys this in case anybody was thinking about getting it. There's other chassis systems out there that I haven't tried yet, but I've seen reviews on them. So really, I can't speak on them. But yeah, we'll finish this mag out and close this video out. But for any kind of defensive situation, I mean, even if this is all you got, just learn to use your Glock. Don't rely on this. It's and there's that. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments if any of you have these or have tried them. What you think? Do you use it for defense? Because I wouldn't. But yeah, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Like the video if you don't mind. It really helps in the whole algorithm thing that YouTube holds gun content back. YouTube's very anti-Second Amendment. So subscribing and liking will really help me. We're over 800 subscribers right now, which is really freaking cool. We're cruising along trying to get to that 1,000 mark, so YouTube can tell me I'm not monetized, but that's just the way it is. I enjoy making these videos and interacting with you guys in the comments. So thanks, and be on the lookout for the next video. And you know, until the next time, Appalachian Smoke Wagon out for now.